Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm going to make the Colonel's original recipe. Walter heard me and said, now how you gonna get his original recipe? Well, anyway, this recipe has been floating around online, so I put together what I think is the correct recipe. Because I love the Colonel's chicken, especially the original. And it seemed to taste better when I was much, much younger. For real, for real. I think they changed the recipe. But anyway, it claims to have 11 herbs and spices. So, let's get going. Okay. It starts with, I'll be adding this seasoning mix to 2 cups of flour. So I'm just working with the seasoning right now. Okay, 1 tablespoon of salt. Tablespoon's the big one. And this is the teaspoon. See the difference. A tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to mix. I'm actually going to use my half tablespoon. 1 each of the kosher salt and 1 of the Himalayan pink salt. That's a half a tablespoon. And here's another half. So that makes 1 whole tablespoon. Okay, get that out the way so I don't use it again. The next one is thyme. 1/2 tablespoon of thyme. I got everything lined up in order of the way I'm supposed to use it. 1/2 tablespoon of thyme. That's good. Smells good. Thyme. Get out the way. The next one is 1/2 tablespoon of basil. Next one is 1/3 tablespoon of oregano. So 1/3 of a tablespoon equals 1 teaspoon. So I don't know why they didn't say 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Because there are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of oregano. This reminds me of pizza. I'll show you oregano. Next one is 1 tablespoon of celery seed. 1 tablespoon of celery seed. I need to buy some more. I love this stuff. Okay. 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 3 tablespoons of white pepper. That seems like an awful lot of pepper. You know what? I'm going to use the 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And it says 3 tablespoons of white pepper. It seems like that'll make it spicy. I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of white pepper. I'm not making spicy chicken. I want it to taste like KFC. So this is 1 tablespoon. Write down what I added. 1 tablespoon of white pepper. So I may need the extra 2 tablespoons after I taste it. Okay? Ground white pepper. 1 tablespoon of dried mustard, ground mustard. It's lumpy. This is a skewer. This is the only reason I use it. Get the lumps out. What I say? 1 tablespoon of dried mustard. I hope dried mustard and ground mustard is the same thing. It doesn't really have a smell to it. Don't want to come out of here. That's good. Four tablespoons of paprika. Wow, it seems like a lot. I'm gonna add it. 4 tablespoons of paprika. I'm using the smoked paprika. It tastes better. 1. 2. You know what? I'm gonna use 2 of these and 2 of the regular paprika. Okay, I'm back. I'm using 2 of the smoked paprika and 2 of the regular paprika. You don't have no room to shake it. Okay. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons. Always double check it. One tablespoon of ginger. Ooh, that smells good. And I love ginger snaps, cookies. How much I say? 1 tablespoon of ginger. I never thought about adding ginger to chicken recipe. This is lumpy. Can't bang it on the table because my table is glass. Oh, that's good. That's the ginger. Did I show y'all? Oh, it smells good. And it don't add call for onion, but whenever I use garlic powder, I like to add onion powder. So this is me. I use 2 tablespoons of garlic. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of onion powder. You need it. I'm saying you need it. So this is gonna be 12 herbs and spices. And remember, I didn't use all the white pepper I was supposed to use, so I'm going to shake it good. Guess I can shake it good. This is how it looks. A lot of paprika. Maybe I should have mixed it in a big bowl. Oh, it's shaking good. I can't imagine adding all this to the flour. 2 cups of flour. I'm playing Juanita Bynum in the background, so I hope y'all can't hear it because I don't want to get copyrighted. It's in the family room, playing softly. Looks like it's mixed good. Taste it and see if it needs any more pepper. Taste that again. Just know it tastes good. I don't think it needs any more pepper. Why would they say all this pepper? I don't understand it. I can handle all the pepper, but I want it to taste just like KFC. Maybe I'll add 1 more tablespoon of the ground white pepper. So that'll make 1 tablespoon of the black pepper that I added. And this would be the 2nd tablespoon of the white pepper. And it calls for 3 tablespoons of white pepper. This is fun and relaxing to me, y'all. Mixing up my own seasonings. And the white pepper is supposed to be the secret ingredient that makes it zing. So I'll be making my chicken maybe tomorrow, because I got some legs in there thawed out. But you know what? I want to do the true test on some wings. I love my wings, y'all. Mix it up good as possible. You know, I'm gonna add the other tablespoon, and it won't be too spicy once I add this to that's a lot. 2 cups of flour. Okay, so I went on to use the whole 3 tablespoons of white pepper. So I'm hoping it tastes like the KFC original. Now I'm not going to cook it like they cook theirs in pressure cooker or pressure frying. I'm going to air fry mine. I wonder if it needs a whole 2 cups of flour now. This spice blend tastes good, y'all. Shake it up some more. It's made a full 8 ounces. I don't want to use up all my stuff in one batch of chicken. I really don't. Okay. So, this is my KFC recipe seasoning blend, and maybe tomorrow we shall see if it tastes like their chicken. I'll be making the air frying the chicken with this on it. I'm going to bread it. Maybe I'll do a few naked wings with this on it. Okay. If you like this this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye.